Hello guys, Nitin here. You are watching Soul Truck Design. In this video, we will see how to check the punching shear for the flat slab. So first of all, we will model a residential building, and after that we will apply the flat slab over there. And after this, after the analysis, then we will check the punching shear. Okay. So first you have to make a model. So for model initialization, first you have to check the unit whether it is in SI or not. So as you can see, display unit is in metric SI. So I am designing this building as per Indian standard. So steel section database also in Indian, and the steel design code as you have studied in your course. So IS 800 2007 for the steel design and the IS 456 2000 for the concrete design. Okay. So after that, click OK here, and then we will make a template, model template here. So let it be as it is. So I am taking the number of stories here one because I'm not designing any particular building. I'm just giving an example. After that, typical story height is 3 meter and the bottom story height is also 3 meter. Click OK. It is taking a little bit of time. So as you can see, this has been modeled, and after that I want to close this window. So closing that one, and now I will edit this grid system. So click here, add modify grids, and modify slideshow grid system. Click here. After that, delete all these grids as per the ordinates. I'm deleting all grids. Go to here, display grid data spacing, and now add the grids. Okay. So first you have to provide the grid ID. So I'm clicking A, B, C, D, E, and F. Okay. So for now I'm giving the grid ID for the F. So if I require another one, then I will add them. So X spacing for the X direction, as you can see my cursor. So this is the X and this is the Y. Okay. So in the X direction, I want the first spacing is for the so I want the 450 by 450 column as a square column. So I will give the here so it is in meters, so 0.15. Okay, so again it is 0.15 and again it is 0.15. So there will be a span between these two columns will be like 3 meter. So I am taking here 4 meter because it is flat slab. So flat slab is provided where the span between the column is higher. Okay, so here the E is 0.15. So I know you are not getting this 0.15 in 0.1, so you will see in further. Uh, so you will get why I'm taking this 0.15. Okay, so give the here the grid ID GH I J. Okay, so 0.15 again, and again 4 meter, and here 0.15, 0.15, and 0.15. Okay, so you have to leave the last grid as 0 for the spacing. Okay, so again go to here the wide grids. So 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also you have to give the grid ID as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so here also you have to take these x spacing, you have to copy this spacing as per as it is in the y grid data. So 0.15 and 0.15, 0.15, 4, 0.15, 0.15, 0.15, okay, and for yeah, 0.15, 0.15, yeah, so 4, I think, yeah, okay, so 13, 14, 15, 16. Here also 0.15 and 0.15, 0.15, and you have to take the last one 0. Okay, so you can see here like this, you have to add these grid IDs and you have to make this model like that. Okay, so bubble size I'm taking here 500 mm. Click OK, refresh window. Okay, so you can see I have made this grid. So as you can see in the 3D view. Okay, so go to plan view here, story 1. So then you have to define the metal properties and the section properties. Okay, so go to head define metal properties. Here add new material, and the reason I am taking India because I am from India. Material type you have to take here concrete first of all, and the standard is Indian. Grade I am choosing here M25. I think I hope you all know the what is the ratio of the M25. If you know, then comment down below what is the ratio of M25. So after that you don't have to change anything here. Click here OK and add new material for the rebar, choosing here HYHD 500. Click OK and OK. Okay, and after that you have to define the section properties, frame section, and delete all these multiple things. Add new property for the column. Yeah, click here 450 by 450 mm of M25. M25 is the grade of the concrete. Okay, so you don't have to change any property modifier here. So it's a just example overview. So I'm not taking the property modifier. So longitudinal bar I'm taking HYSD 500. Okay, and the reinforced to be designed. Clear cover is 40 mm. Number of bar in the X along the 3 direction face. So here the 3, 5 longitudinal bar. I'm not choosing here any of them because it will design automatically. Okay. So you can see here the for this face in the 3 bar and on the 2 face is the 3 bar and the 3 face in the 5 bar. Okay, click OK and delete this one. Okay, after that I will define the slab section, delete this blank one and modify this slab. So for the flat slab we have to take a minimum 8 inch the slab thickness. So I'm taking 10 inch of the slab thickness, that means 250 mm. M25 is the grade of the concrete for the slab. You have to take a shell thin, and 250 mm is the thickness of the slab. And again you have to add new properties for the column slab. uh, as you know where your column will come here, like this your column will come, then you have to provide the slab on the column on the slab below for the draw panel. As you know the draw panel, so we have to provide this one also. So 250. Okay, click here, see, M20. If you have to click here shell thick. So I will explain in the next video what is the shell thin and shell thick, what is the difference between them. I will discuss in the next video. So after that you have to draw the column here. So if you want to change this size, so you have to go to the option graphic preferences, here the numeric value, click here, minimum graphic font size, and this click here 3. In that one is changing. You can see it has been changed. Okay, so after that draw the column. Okay, so I'm not able to draw because I'm not getting any reference point here. So click here and top right. Can no, again I'm not getting the reference point here. Top left, I think, from that. Yeah, so you have to select one by one. Okay, so okay, so after that we have to draw a slab here. So that slab was up to 50. So you can select from here and drag it to the last. And again you have to draw the slab for your column that we call draw panel, like this. Yeah, you can replicate also in the extraction. As you can see, this has I have done little mistake here. So for that, click this and edit, delete. Click these three and replicate it to the extraction. edit, replicate, and in the X direction you can see what is the difference between these 4 meter. So in the X direction 4 meter and the number of 1 and 2. No, it is not going because yeah, it is 4.3, not 4. Yes, 4.5, 4.45. Again, it is not 4.6, I think. No, 4.75. What is happening? I don't know. What is not being. Okay, that was not updated. 7.5. Yeah, 4.45 is that. Click OK. You can pick the 2 point model like this. Click OK. And after that you have to apply the load here. So you can apply load by going to here the assign and the shell load, uniform load, and I want here the 100 psf, that means 5 kilonewton. That click all these. Okay, live load I want 60 psc. Yes, selection. Now go to the story base and select all these. Give the restraint, assign joint restraints fixed. Okay, and after that you have to apply the meshing also. Shell floor mesh option, apply, done. Now go to the analysis here. I want to save this model as the punching shear or slab. Okay, so review. You can see here, and after that concrete slab here and go to here start design of the slab. Now you can see here the deflection, and you can see here the display punching check. So you can see the punching shear is less than 1, so that thing that your structure is safe. So here the punching shear you can see it is less than 1, so that means the design is okay. If you I am checking for the when I will remove these draw panels, then we will see the what values that we come that will come for the punching shear, whether it gets pass or not. You can select this like this way also. Slabs section C. Okay, so delete and go to the analysis again. And now we will see whether it is passed or not. Start design and display punching check. You can see the values has been increased as compared to the previous one. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and get a lot of knowledge from this. If you have any doubt, any query related, if you have any doubt related to this design or anything else, so you can comment down below. Okay, so thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe, like, and don't forget to share this video. Thank you.